In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your microphone is not working on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, select sound. You want to go underneath input and then select the microphone you're having the problem with. And make sure the input volume is turned all the way up to the right here. If you need to test your microphone, you can. And if for some reason the audio has been turned off, you want to go enable it. So if it says don't allow, that means it's currently allowed. And if it says allow, then you want to select that, obviously. So you want to make sure that's turned on. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.